Hey guys, it's Ashley, and today we are unboxing Nadine West. Another day, another Nadine West package. Just what I feel like. I feel like I have one all the time. It's kind of a, oh, there's a hair on my camera. All right. I feel like kind of like burdened by them. Like I have to get it, have to take pictures and have it in the mail so they don't charge me for stuff I don't want. And I gotta try it all on. I will have a try on at the end. I'm not gonna put it on as we go through this stuff. I have makeup on today. I have commitments. I have to go outside the house. And I hate like wearing makeup and putting on clothing, because what if you get makeup on the clothing you're not keeping, and then I feel bad. So anyway, we're gonna go in here. If you're not familiar with Nadine West, it is a styling subscription. They can be sent basically whenever you want, bi-weekly, monthly, quarterly. It is a little more budget friendly, I feel, than some of the other subscriptions like Stitch Fix, Wantable, Transcend, or whatever. And they also send you a ton of stuff. You have to get jewelry. You do fill out a little survey when you sign up. I don't feel like they really try hard to make sure that the stuff fits into that. And I feel like that's been echoed from you guys. I've heard it in the comments. But I mean, regardless, it's a nice way to get clothes. I do believe that this shirt I'm wearing, which is extremely wrinkly, is a Nadine West piece. They do charge you shipping. I think it's like $10, which is it is applied to anything that you decide to keep, and then you do get a discount if you keep a certain number of items. Yeah, I think that's everything. All right, so without further ado, we're just gonna get into it. Okay, so here's a look. I just dumped everything out. So everything that you're not keeping goes back in this bag, and there is a shipping label somewhere in this stuff that you can just send it all back. So you don't have to pay return shipping. It's just the shipping that's originally applied. Those pants, I know I've received those before. Anyway, so we're just gonna go ahead and, yep, here's the return shipping. So this is also our list of each of the items that's included along with the retail value. So we'll probably go over that at the end. It's not usually helpful though. It's not accurate what they say they sent. All right, so right here, looks like we have a dress. I believe I've seen this dress. Okay, I'm almost certain they've sent me either, if not this dress, a style very similar. This has like panels of a different fabric right here, a little softer than this. And then it does have these ties on the side, which are pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie, I like navy dresses. This is $34.99, which not too bad for a dress. Next up, we have this pant from Sheila Rose. This is $39.99, which I'll be honest is really kind of pricey for me. But I'll say I love them. I love like this top here. These buttons are really cool. It has like a very military kind of feeling, and then the stitching is cool. This is cool olive color, but it's almost got like a gray hue to it. And if they look good on, I'm willing to pay it for these because I do think they're pretty cute. Next up is this dress, also from Sheila Rose. This is $40. This is a big old no for me. I'm not into cutouts. I just don't like them. This is like a t-shirt dress. $40 for a t-shirt. Essentially what is a t-shirt to me. It's way off base. Yeah, this is a no. Next up is this kimono, which is really soft and floral and pretty. It's $40 though, and so it's not a singular thing. You have to wear it with something because it's sheer. And so for that alone, like, I'm not at that point in my life where I can spend $40 on something that's not standalone. Okay, here's another. I have definitely had these in my package before. This is like a houndstooth, I guess is the name of the pattern. These are $27.99 though, and for something that's so niche, I want to say, I just think that's too much. These are just a legging too. It's not like a pant. That's a lot for a legging. They're cute. I'm not gonna lie. I think they're cute, but they're just not something I'd wear a lot. Do you know? Then there's this scarf. This is actually beautiful. I love this color, that like linen color. It's $12.99, not bad, but I don't need any scarves, so this is a no for me. This makeup bag is $14.99, which in my opinion, just subscribe to Ipsy, at least you get some beauty products on top of it. I'm like, yeah, no thanks. Then there's this beautiful tank. I'm not gonna lie, this is gorgeous. I feel like I've had a style like this in Purple Sesame. It has this cool kind of design at the top, this cutout, but I'm okay with that. And it's just very pretty. I love it. And it has a tie at the bottom as well. It is $32.99, but if it looks good, I mean, who am I to argue? Then there's this cardigan from Sheila Rose. I actually like this a lot. It is $40 though, so it's a no from me, but I think this is really cute. I don't think that their stuff is seasonally appropriate. Like, I feel like they send me items all the time that are like, this would be perfect for summer. Like, why didn't I receive something like that in summer? I mean, my address is on the package. I live in Pennsylvania. Our trees, hold on, trees don't have leaves right now. So like, what? These pants are $33.99. They're not my style. They're just a no. They're like fake Adidas, and I'm just not into them at all. Okay, this dress is $34.99. I'm in love with this. I love the floral detail with this cool curly cues. The colors are beautiful. Like, it has a gray. It's very complimentary. It is a little more summery, not gonna lie, but I like it enough that if it looks good, I'm gonna keep it. It does, however, I don't know if you can tell I'm short. It looks short, so we'll see about that. Okay, so here's all the jewelry that was included. This bracelet is $20.99. I actually think that one's pretty cute. I don't hate it. This bracelet is $17.99. These earrings are $20.99. I don't really like those. This bracelet that is ugly, I don't like it at all. Is it a bracelet or is it a necklace? I don't know. It's blue. I don't know. This is a necklace. It must be a necklace. Is $44.99, and then this one is $34.99. So that's, oops, that one. Sorry, I'm looking at the thing. So yeah, I don't ever keep it because I just don't need it. This tank top is $27.99. Actually, I really like this. I like the ruching. It's form-fitting. When you work really hard on your body, you want to show it off. I want people to acknowledge that I look great, you know? It sounds so selfish. But, like, you know, if you work on your body, you don't want to hide it under tons of fabric. I want to look hot. Well, I still can. And I still can. So, hey, why not, right? Another tank top that yells summer to me. Now, this is really pretty, but at $27.99 in November, this is a no. Also, it has a cutout. I'm not a big fan of that at all. Another cardigan. This is $39.99, and I'll be honest, I don't really love that print. It's just not really me. And I feel like, how many cardigans did I get? 3 or 4? That's like too many. I guess they're supposed to be worn with the tank tops, but it's just out like a light. But yeah, no, I don't need that many. So anyway, we'll get right into the try on